As a commercial producer, it's very important to have a good understanding of the EPDs and how to utilize those in your program. First and foremost, you typically begin with sire selection and understanding those EPDs from a particular breed organization. For Charolais in particular, you have ready access to percentile tables to help you find the relative ranking of particular set of bulls that you're looking at to maybe bring back as herd sires. You can study those percentile rankings for various traits. You might be trying to locate sires that are in the upper 20 percentile for a trait like weaning weight or yearling weight. You can utilize those tables that are updated after each national cattle evaluation. Again, those are on the web, very readily accessible to you. That said, you want to make sure that you know the particular breed that the EPD is representing. If we use Charolais as an example, you want to reference those specific tables. EPDs are used to compare animals or come up with a relative rank to figure out how they fit your breeding program. And so you do not want to compare across breeds unless those data were analyzed together in the same population and national cattle evaluation run. So it's good to understand the details. The Charolais Association has an extensive field staff as well to answer your various questions on these selection tools. As a commercial bull buyer, it's important to have a multi-trait approach. Look at your breeding program and find out what your key elements of importance are in adding profitability and your market endpoint. So you very rarely can find a program where single trait selection is effective. And I think as an industry, we've evolved beyond that point to where we think multiple trait in nature. So we might be moderating our calving ease requirements that we need for our herd. We might have an adequate level of maternal ability. We're focused on weaning weight, direct growth, and also looking at yearling growth. We have commercial producers interested in retained ownership, and they also have that benefit of looking at a suite of carcass trait EPDs as well. Every program's different, so it's good to do some basic kitchen table work in terms of what are the traits that are very important to the success of our breeding program and that marketing endpoint.